A smartphone with a weak battery is almost like carrying a dead weight in your pocket. But here's the thing. Your battery doesn't only drain when you're actively using your phone. A big part of the problem comes from hidden settings and background processes quietly running without your awareness. Think of battery settings as the command center that controls your phone's entire performance. Its speed, temperature, stability, and how long it actually survives before shutting down. Today, I'll show you the most important settings you need to adjust right away if you want your phone to last longer and stay smooth. First, let's talk about power saving mode. Go into your device settings, scroll down to the battery section, and you'll see a toggle called power saving. Turn it on. You can even customize it. Disable 5G, lower screen brightness, reduce processor speed, or block background apps. Choose what works best for you. Now, here's what really happens when you enable it. Your phone slightly lowers processor performance, reduces visual animations, dims brightness, and stops unnecessary apps from running. The result? Your battery stretches further, which is a lifesaver if you're traveling or caught outside without a charger. The trade-off? You'll notice slower performance in games or heavy apps. So, use it only when needed, especially if your battery dips below 20% or you want extra backup on the go. Second, optimize battery usage. Inside the battery settings, look for power saving. Tap the three dots at the top and select Adaptive Power Saving. Then enable Adaptive Battery. This feature, available on Android 9 and newer, is like having AI inside your phone. It studies your habits, prioritizes the apps you actually use, and restricts the ones you barely touch. For example, if you always watch YouTube every night at 10 p.m., the phone keeps it ready. But if you opened an app once last month, it won't waste energy on it. Keep this feature turned on permanently. It's one of the smartest tools for battery management. Third, battery protection. When charging, open Settings, scroll to Battery, and select Battery Protection. Enable it and set the charging limit. Many phones, Samsung, iPhone, and others, offer this now. Instead of charging straight to 100% and staying plugged in all night, your phone stops charging at 80% or 85%. Why is this important? Because constantly pushing your battery to 100% weakens its lifespan over time. If you're the kind of person who plugs in your phone before bed and leaves it overnight, this option is non-negotiable. Turn it on and protect your battery health. Finally, monitor battery usage and alerts. Still in Settings, tap Battery Usage or Battery Activity. You'll see a chart showing exactly which apps consume the most power. If you spot a troublemaker draining too much, tap it, then set background limits. Put it in sleeping or deep sleeping mode. By adjusting these 4 key settings, you'll immediately extend your phone's battery life, keep performance smooth, and avoid unnecessary slowdowns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who struggle with battery drain. And subscribe for more practical tips to keep your devices running at their best. See you in the next video.